Well going guys, welcome to the vlog. This was supposed to be a productive day, a productive vlog, and now we have vehicle issues. So I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm smiling because despite everything we're going, I know say God gonna come through for me and the day I go work out just to see him. So I'm not make this discourage me. Why are you laughing, bro? Anyways. He crap out the KPMG.
You don't know, say a TG head no screw on properly. Look, head literally no screw on properly. So yeah, you see it. Yeah, man, I'm a new style.
First thing I gotta do is go get my lashes done. May I try a new lash girl because my regular lash girl was booked out for the weekend. So, well, everybody may try book out till May. So I find a new lash tech I'm gonna try. She named Lash Out Boutique. I think Lash Out Boutique, something like that. Me put it in the description. Only can see it on the screen as well. So come with me. So guys, this is the finished look for the lashes. I'm gonna get my eyebrow shave next, and then my next appointment is at 1:30 to get my hair done. So guys, I'm just done my lash them and shape up my eyebrow a little bit. Now I'm gonna try get something to eat because I have my hair for the next, and you don't know, the might take a while in my head. If I do nothing else, then maybe drop it in another vlog as well, so now see it.
Take a look inside your heart. Is there any room for me? I won't have to hold my breath till you get down on one knee, because you only want to hold me when I'm looking good enough. Did you ever fool me? Would you ever picture us? Every time I pull my hair out, with me I'm fear that you'll find me ugly and one day you'll disappear, because what's the point of crying? It was never even love. Did you ever want me? Was I ever good enough?
Later. Oh, say I. Hey, I do ear.
So guys, I was really impressed with the way my whole hair appointment went. Like the way how they were very gentle and detailed with everything. I really appreciated that. So first they did the protective styling on my hair, so she gave me a cornrow style because I was getting a closure sewing, and I really appreciated that she did netting. So she put a protective net on my hair, sewed that down, and then she also sewed down a stocking cap for the front part where the closure was supposed to be. But I haven't done a sewing for years, and I was very nervous about it, really worried about my edges being torn out. But they handled it really well. I was very impressed. It wasn't painful at all. The salon was very intimate and quiet, and they were just professionals. The whole process was really easy, and they work pretty fast too. So she has her assistant do the prep work, that's sewing down the net, doing the braiding and all of that, and then she does the sewing. And so yeah, I really loved how everything turned out, and you guys will see that at the end of the clip too. Let me know what y'all think in the comments though. Definitely recommend this lady. Her name is Nikki, and her salon is in Portmore, at the Westport Community Center. So if you ever decide to go, let her know that I sent you, let her know that Shan sent you. But let me know what you guys think. Haven't been under a dryer in a while either, and I was really, not looking forward to that, but I didn't stay under there long. So yeah.
Good, like from here do is problem. Backside, this not right, this not legal. I'm here do, I'm just my ear one.
Dolly I come through. Watch Dolly. Hey boy. Hey. Am I woman that? Yo. Hot stuffs. Who that? Hot stuffs.
God.
Lord God. Looking like a brand new second hand.
Brighty.
You feeling yourself? Eh?
One thing though.
What?
Now I buy the clothes from that
Company there?
Yeah. It never really dare take the bleach. I better me bring the other clothes.
You did bleach it?
She bleach it because she wanted it for blend well.
Oh.
I never did.
Like damn, she in her mood. She lit, get money too. Like damn, she in her mood. In the mirror, I'm doing my dance. Ain't packing out nobody's pants. He a rapper, but don't got a chance. Sucking my waist, so I'm moving my bands. Like a million views in a day. There's so many ways to get paid. I tried dipping, he begged me to stay. Hey, I'm not staying, I just wanna.
Can't drive me out.
Something can dry out then.
Nobody can
I mean,
drive
alone can dry out. So careful.
Yeah, the boys are back in town. Yeah, the boys are back in town. She's addicted to the melanin. Golden brown, golden brown. It's funny how the tables turn around. She told me to leave, she's missing me now. Operator, turn up the sound.
Uptown, you know me. So you want people, I mean create a routine, yeah? I mean TJ sing the song for. You understand? So, me and Snow, I'm a brother there. Breeze the bigs. And we are showing you the routine tonight. So you want go on? No, right, that's the way you go. Ready? Everybody now, turn on the phone, turn on the phone, turn on the phone, turn on the phone. Boy. Let me fuck up in there. Boy. Let me fuck up in there. Stop. See that. Yeah. Yo, what's up, my boy?
Yo, what the hell that little bit boy? And them gyal a bump and body and jiggle it. My girl scream out, and your pussy little bit like I'm really. Just spend 3 million. So they don't bet. This what me and I'm a clock. I'm a list of top. Hold on. Let me see how we clean now. Have me say white and rubbing up a cream now. 21 days in the magazine now. Gyal we used to me and say no me now. I'm a make good data don't freak now. Eat halang body she a deep throat. And the man gonna work she a sneak out. Boom fat in your shots and a deep on say for me. And me say voila brother, voila. Nah no man and say space to it. You know it's still going to work. I think I'm going to say for the top man. You know it's still going to work. I ain't tell them to tell yourself, you know. Big up first class music, big up two class, you know it's still going to go. Give me a bounce. Slow. Over the toe, you know, you know. Well, I'm here to see first time. I mean, I know if I buy jump, but you know, I would have opened up a book because bye. I mean, say, sure. I mean, look over this, though. Over this, though. I'm going to party, keep them next to us. Yeah. Big up yourself, you know, you know it's still going on. You know, just a forward from a fight pole. I'll be a new studio forward from. Look at Moby, eh? Look at Ochi. Where's the right side now, outside? You know what we're going? I'm here to see first time. I mean, I know if I buy jump, but you know, I'm give me this out, open up a book next. What? I mean, say first. Over this, though. Give me the next. Hold on. I mean, say, what kind of party, keep them the close by. Can I close your phone line? I mean, say, 30 minutes.
Make sure they feel them.
So people, this is the end of the night. Basically the end of the vlog.
At Bonjour, getting our hot dogs.
Getting some food.
So
Party was really good.
yeah, coming for the first night.
OSA. What was it name?
OSA, yeah.
OSA.
Every Saturday at
Every
the pool.
Saturday. What the other youth name of
Top man.
Tapman and Roze Performance.
Roze Don, not Rosa.
Roze Don. And I get some food now, sober up and head home.
So like I can go?
We're out.
We're out. Like, share, subscribe, comment.
Bye.